We have two of the Putty primers from e.l.f. here. This one is a little bit more of a cool tone, and this color is Feelin' Shady. And then this is a little bit more of a warmer tone, and this is Tan Lines. There are the two swatched. And what my plan is to apply these, and then I'm gonna go outside so you can see them in natural light. Then I will do a check-in and talk about my first impression thoughts on them, on how they apply, how they wear, and all that good stuff. Also, we're gonna try out, I haven't tried the Putty blush yet, so figured when I ordered those, might as well order one of those to get it and try it, right? These are $6 each, and I did purchase this is the Putty Primer Applicator brush. It's $6 too, but even though it says it's for the primer, I did purchase it to try with these as well. First, we're gonna go in with the Feeling Shady and going to act as a contour with this one to see how that works. And what I'm gonna do is apply that with my finger first. I just got some out. Just gonna tap it on first. And let's see how this brush. That's blending it pretty well. I feel like that's definitely giving some definition to my face. What do you think? So not too bad. It seems like it spread pretty easy with this brush. So now let's try on this side with a sponge. This is an e.l.f. sponge. Okay, I could already tell you that at least for this one, I think I like the brush better because it seems like it's taking more work to get it to spread out, and I feel like it's just kind of, it's not really lifting the foundation, but I feel like there's more of a chance that it will if I keep going like that. Let me try if I just try with my hands. So I feel like for the jawline, it wasn't too bad with the sponge. Okay, that definitely blended out easier. All right, so as far as application, for the cheeks, I would say a brush, but for the jawline and right here on your nose, I would say a sponge. Let me wipe off my brush. I'm gonna use the color switch to clean this, and then we'll do the more warm color for bronzer. So this is Tan Lines again, and I'm just going a little bit above where I put the color that's acting as a contour. Just a little bit above that. I like that. I think that blends nice with the brush. And we're just gonna put a little bit more on the nose here. And it really is blending out really nice. Like it's already, I don't feel like you need to wait for it to like warm up or anything like that. And I'm just putting this a little bit again above where I put the color that's acting as a contour. Can you see a difference between the two sides of my face? Does one look better than the other? Again, this one has the contour and bronzer. This one just has contour. What do you think? I feel like it's definitely taking more time to blend out with the sponge. What do you think so far? Let me know down below if you usually use bronzer. Just say bronzer yes, bronzer no. I'm just kind of curious if that's usually part of your routine, but what do you think? As far as first impression on application, it went on smoothly, blended out easy. I do like with the brush, I think better. Make sure you stay tuned and I will do a check-in. And if you want to see how the blush applies, then make sure you stay until the end because I will just tack that onto this video so that you can see it. You're outside and let's look at the bronzer contour. Yeah, I probably could have blended that out a little bit more, but I feel like overall it looks pretty good. It's subtle, but definitely gives some structure and warmth to the face. Let me know if you agree. Right, so we have the e.l.f. Putty blush, and this color is Tahiti. All right, so I scooped just a tiny bit out, and we're just gonna tap that on the finger and tap it on. Doesn't really seem to be blending with the finger that well. This is still the Putty primer brush, but I did clean it off. It's a little bit more of a dense brush. I want to see if I just apply this brush directly into the pot. Let's see how that works. Okay, I like that better. Definitely get more pigmentation doing it that way. So I'd say if you want definitely more color, then just apply it directly on the brush. If you want just a little bit of a hint of color, then apply it with your fingers on your face and then smooth it out with the brush. It has been about 6.5 hours, and I think overall, I feel like the Putty products are staying put. What do you think? I feel like they were good, and I don't really think it made a huge difference on what way to apply it as far as if they stayed or not, the staying power. So I think it's just on your preference. So for me personally, I like applying it with the brush, either just directly on with the brush or tapping it on with my fingers and then blending it out with the brush. I prefer that over a sponge. Let me know if you have tried any of their Putty items and what do you think. And if you haven't tried these bronzers already, are you thinking about getting one or not? Let me know down below, and thank you so much for watching. I hope that if you haven't already, you will hit that subscribe button so that you can come on back and see me on the next video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.